Hey, this is Market Moves coming at you. We're going over Village Farms International today. It's been a highly requested stock to go over, and I'm finally doing it for my audience, and I really hope you enjoy this video. Stay tuned. Quick reminder, hit that subscribe button because I don't know anyone else that puts out content as aggressively as me and is well versed in this sector. So I trade full time. I have a trading group. We do professional 3 alerts a week, and right now we're up in all 3 of our alerts about 5 to 20%. So pretty good for the first day of the week, and we're going to let those run hopefully to 80% wins, hopefully 100% wins for some of them. But on the side note, this is my pot stock playlist, and I want you to educate yourself in this market because Village Farms is going to be added to it after today. And Village Farms is a very interesting stock. We're just going to go over it all today. But if you're interested in Aurora, T-God, NBEV, this playlist has it all. It's linked to the top right-hand corner. Top right, top right, top right. Check it out. And then we're going to Village Farms right now. As you can see, the stock is just early listed on the American exchange. So there's not much trading candlesticks on the screen. This is the 4-hour chart. If I jump to the 1-hour chart, we don't even have that many either. So I can't even plot anything that looks reasonably possibly like a channel. This could be it, but basically it's way too early to plot any type of channel, support line, resistance. But this is all I see so far. You can kind of say this is channel trading upward. So what we're going to do is we're going to possibly hop back down to 1040 and then decide if we want to bust up the channel again or break through to the other side. So channel, it's a possibility. We'll see if it holds. And until then, I'm just going to go over what the stock is, what's the news that's been driving it. And basically, the big reason why it's up 12% just because it debuted on the Nasdaq. So that is why there's not many candles on this chart. It just entered the Nasdaq recently, and the stock is just soaring since then. So it is a pot stock. There's a lot of interest in this area. So a lot of people have been requesting this chart, this company for me to go over. So I'm just going to go over the basics of this company. Another video is coming out later in this week or the next week about Village Farms as a company in depth. So that's my 10 or 15 minute video on Village Farms. It's going to be very, very in depth. You're going to know this company inside and out and what we can expect for the future. So basically it's rallying because it was listed on the Nasdaq. It's up 12% since last Thursday. Year to date, the stock is soaring. It's up 194% compared to the other stocks in the market, Canopy, Aurora, Afria, Hexo, from last December. So December 31st, since then it's up almost 200%. So the other stocks are up around 70 to 30%. Those are all great returns. So you don't really need to be too picky with the stocks you pick in the marijuana market. They're all great returns if you're buying them at the bottom or after a big sell-off. So you just need to be patient and wait after they drop back. So they're going to just talk about in this article what's happening, where the rally is going to be coming from. And the big thing is they have $20 million in non-revolving credit. And this is just something they can put back into their company and just get some things going, buy some things, buy some facilities. So this is going to just kickstart this Village Farms International company to do some big things this year. And I would like to see where that money's going. Comment below if you have any ideas. I would be curious to hear that. And something bullish I'm just going to point out in this article is management expects to begin generating positive cash flow in the first quarter of 2019. So this company should already be generating positive cash flow. This doesn't mean that it's going to be profitable. It just means that cash is positively going to be flowing into the company, not out of the company. So that's a good sign. Earnings, it does not tell you if earnings are going to be positive or negative or not. My guess is they're going to be losing money as a whole as a company, but that cash flow is going to be a good thing for them. And as I'm going through the article some more, I just see that this company does have a lot of assets and infrastructure to grow cannabis, and it seems like they're just making the switch. So just like PYX, they already have the infrastructure, the sales channels, the distribution channels, and they're just switching over to a new product. So this product has higher margins. We all know cannabis has huge margins and the possibility to really do well in the long term with the growing market, a lot of billions of dollars coming in. So these margins is what is exciting this company to switch over to cannabis, and it's going to produce revenue 10 to 15 times more from the existing assets they have. So their revenue is going to go up 10 to 15 times. I'm going to integrate that in their revenue for the current period or the last year, and we're going to kind of see how that goes into how that changes this year. So the other thing that they want to point out is they have 30 years of experience in greenhouse. So they have experience, they have the production capabilities, and they're just switching products. That's the big thing I want you to take away from this. The switch is what is boosting this stock and getting everyone excited. And it seems like the Motley Fool is equally as bullish on the stock as some people are. It says that they could easily be the top cannabis producer in record time because they, like I said, they have everything in place. And they also have a supply win with Ontario. So a lot of other companies are trying to get into those provincial supplies and get those agreements in, and it seems like they just got a huge one. Ontario is massive, a lot of people, a lot of buyers, a lot of travelers coming through there. So that is another bullish reason to be excited about this stock. But yet again, you can see everything on paper and get excited. I'm the one who's waiting for the numbers to come out to really get excited. So valuations are very lofty for the current market leaders, and I want to see what their valuation is in my next video. But right now, just a quick overview on this company. Investor takeaway, we'll go through this last section. So real quick, I'm going to finish up this video with throwing it in my pot stock Excel sheet. This is just an Excel sheet of all the pot stocks, comparing them with the most important valuation metrics and the most important metrics in general. So growing capacity, shares, revenue, everything that you can think of, we want to keep track of with all the stocks. And this is the best way to tell which one's the best deal, which one's the most expensive. So right now, I don't have the numbers on revenue and I don't have the numbers on growing capacity. I'm going to make you wait till the next video when I go over this company in depth for you to see me put those in. But early enough, we're just going to check out the market cap, sort this by market cap, and you see that VFF is in the top 4 for the cheapest pot stocks in the market. So the market cap is just the price the overall market puts on the stock. So right now it's putting this stock in the lower third. So the first 4 stocks are the cheapest in terms of market cap, and it's very, very cheap in that metric. So that's a bullish reason for this stock. It's a reason for this one to go up very quickly. And yet again, another bullish reason is that VFF has a very low share count at 48 million shares. This is pulled up through Google Finance. So if Google is wrong, then you should go talk to them. I do not put in these numbers myself. 48 million shares is very, very low. This gives it the potential to rise very quickly. If it goes up $1, the market cap only goes up $50 million or 48 million because of the share count. So the market cap's going to go up very slowly because the share count is so low. If it goes up slowly, then the stock can increase pretty aggressively because that market cap isn't going up as quickly. And if this doesn't make sense, I would just look into some of my past videos. This is just the big thing I look at. I mean, if Aurora Cannabis, on the other hand, goes up $1, its market cap goes up $1 billion. So the company is $1 billion more expensive, and their sales have to increase as aggressively as quickly as that. So that is the one reason why I like seeing low share counts, because the market cap goes up slower. The revenue does not have to rush to catch up. So this is all I got with VFF, Village Farms International. Another video is coming out in a couple days. Please subscribe to this channel, and I can't wait to put it out. Market Moves signing off. Peace. For more information on the Market Mover Indicator, free consultation talks, and courses, head to the website marketmovesmatt.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out the latest and popular videos I have uploaded.